Eh? But I we should see me. That's what we do.
The Slave Hire Royal Gems. I am a fashion, style, beauty, and more content creator. Like my husband always say, I am a minister of enjoyment. Please, this is the Empress Queenie Alive. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Hello, welcome back to my channel, Royal Gems, and welcome to my new gems. Thank you for joining us. I know why you're here. You probably woke up with some puffy eyes. Maybe you've been crying, or maybe you slept on your face. But we all know why we're here. We are trying to tackle these puffy eyes. And I woke up too with some puffy eyes. Everything you will need for this method should be found around the house. So it's very simple. You will need some water to boil and a kettle to boil it in, some cosmetic cotton pads, and either caffeinated coffee or caffeinated tea. I chose to use some caffeinated coffee because I like the smell. I don't drink coffee, but I sure do like the smell. And I found this in the kitchen. I think it was my mom's. I don't know. But I'm sure they brought it from a hotel they visited last year or something. As you can see, I've already boiled my water and I've already started steeping my coffee bag in the hot water. I started off with 3 minutes, but I think I went up to 10 minutes and I started using the spoon. I used the spoon to get out every single ounce of blackness out of this bag because I wanted my water to be black as possible so I can get all of the benefits from this coffee. I just use the spoon. Press. And just squeeze the life out of the bag. Life out of the bag. So I've already got in my plate. This is the plate I'm using to put the cotton balls in. Cotton pads. Cosmetic pads. I'm going to take 4 of these. Maybe I should do 8. And I'll soak and place. Soak and place. Soak and place. Soak and place.
It's fake kills.
One time. Standard. One time. Spot baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one.
So after you have taken your desired amount of the cotton pads and soak them in the caffeinated coffee or your caffeinated tea that let sit for like 3 to 10 minutes. 3 to 10 minutes in your hot water. You soak each and every one of them. Then you would take this plate, so we're done with this. So you now take this and you put this in your freezer. I did 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cotton pads because my mom wanted to join me in using them. And so I was thinking that I would use like 2 for each eye. So that's why I've done it. So you take this and you put it in your places in your freezer. I'll say for about 10 to 20 minutes. I'm going to do 20 minutes because I want them kind of frozen. Set your timer for 20 minutes. Since I said you should do it for 10 to 20 minutes, just depending on how frozen you want your cotton pads. I'm going to set mine for. I'm going to set mine for 20 minutes. See you after 20 minutes. 20 minutes.
Original Batman. One time. He's Butty, baby. Big youth. Mix and mix it, yeah.
Little ring. So after this, you would take this. You can let it thaw out a little bit if you want to for like 5 minutes, or you can just take it like a trooper and put it on your face, on your eyes, just like this. So that's what we're about to do with this, like this. So what do we do now? Just one part.
One by one, they must step in on me, yeah, my anger, then 2 by 2. Man, I tell him, me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down. Ooh-wee, show now. Oh yeah.
Take one part like so. And now they're ready to be placed on your eyelids. To help with the puffiness as well, I used my fingers to compress the cotton pads to my eyelids and just kind of massaged it over it until it formed against my face. After like 5 minutes or so, they're gonna start to thaw out from their frozen state. So what I do is I just collect all of them that I had on my face and just squeeze it out to a nice.
See the girl, them a slow. Batman on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh-wee, show down. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh-wee, and a Batman run the show.
Squeeze out the excess. As you squeeze out the excess, and you place them on a towel.
One nigga say really one nigga.
And then back up. If you would like, you can do this step actually, like after you have dipped them, before you have placed them in the freezer. Do this step, squeeze out the excess, and then freeze them. Or you can do it after. I actually like it after. So after this, squeeze out the excess, and from this step you can place it back on your eyelids for an additional 10 to 20 minutes, or you can place it in the refrigerator or freezer for 10 to 20 minutes, then place it back on, place it back on your face for 10 to 20 minutes. So I just squeezed out the excess. After squeezing out the excess, I'm placing it back on the plate to put it back in the refrigerator for 5 minutes. Let's say 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm going to place it back on my face for an additional 10 to 20 minutes. Then I will just wash my face and be about my day. Here is the side-by-side with the frozen one and the squeezed out one. There's a total difference, as you can see. These are like cookies. Versus tortilla. But that's a side-by-side of them. So these have been unused, these have been used. So I'm gonna take these back off and place these four in the refrigerator to be chilled again. So then go back on my face. Batman, me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Batman, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never come time. One time, me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a try my time. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Batman on the road. After 10 minutes in the refrigerator, this is how they look. So now they will be placed back on my face for for additional time. I continued relaxing and compressing for another 5 minutes or so until I was like, okay, that's good. That's great. I'm ready for a shower. So I'm done. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Mwah.